animal that you want to research, that you want to know more about. And our question was, how can I write an animal report to show what I know about an animal that I'm interested in? This is our final thing that we're going to be doing for our inquiry unit on animals. I told you that you could find a website online, read about an animal, and then pick your animal. So today, you should have already picked your animal and be ready to research and read about your animal. I told you that you could go to a lot of different websites. You could go to our University Elementary Library page, Epic, the public library, or even find some books around your house. Today, I'm going to tell you what animal I chose. I'm going to model for you how I would like you to write your report. You do not have to choose the same animal as me. In fact, I would like you to choose an animal maybe that's even different than mine because I want you to choose something that you want to choose. And of course, you should have already chosen your animal on Tuesday. If you happen to choose the same animal as me, no problem. I chose giraffes. I found this book on Epic all about giraffes. And I read a lot of things about giraffes. I'm not going to read this whole book to you, but I will show you that I read about their fur. I read what they eat, how they have babies. You can see this table of contents told me so much about my giraffe. The first thing that you're going to be writing about today is what your animal has. So, my question for you is, what do they have? Do they have fur? Do they have gills? Do they have spots? Do they have stripes? What color are they? You could tell me even what color of skin or what color of fur they have. I went ahead and I thought about, what does a giraffe have? One thing that a lot of people know about is that a giraffe has a very, very tall or long neck. Look at this one. It's bending down to drink. I thought that picture was funny too. So it says giraffes have long necks. They have long legs too. Giraffes can run fast. Giraffe's fur is yellow or white. It has brown spots. Giraffes have bumps on the top of their heads called horns. So now that I read that, I'm not going to copy it word by word onto my page because that would be copying directly from a book and we don't want to do that. But I'm going to just think about some of the things that I read about in this book, and I'm going to write 2 or 3 sentences about what a giraffe has. So today, you can use your 5-star writing paper, or you can use any paper that you have at home, or you can write using some animal report paper that I am going to attach on Canvas for your family to print out for you. Unfortunately, I forgot to put this special paper inside your Q4 packet, and I'm sorry about that. So you don't have to use this fancy paper if you don't want to. You can also just use whatever paper you have at home or in your Q4 packet. Today's topic is writing about what your animal has. I wrote, giraffes have long necks and long legs. Giraffes have horns on their heads too. So you can either choose to write about what your animal has on this 5-star paper, or you can write it on this special paper. What does your animal have? You can write 2 or 3 sentences about what your animal looks like on the outside. Maybe your animal has wings. Maybe it has a beak. You can tell me all about that on your first page of your animal report today. Have fun!